Hello students, in last lecture we have seen theorem 4. Now in this lecture we see theorem 5 and its proof. So the statement of theorem 5 is, if the sequence of real numbers Sn n is equal to 1 to infinity is convergent, then sequence Sn n is equal to 1 to infinity is bounded. That means if sequence of real numbers is convergent. What is mean by convergent? Convergent means sequence has a finite limit. So if sequence is convergent, then it is bounded, means it is bounded above and it is bounded below. That means, in other words, every convergent sequence is bounded. So this is our statement. So we take first a sequence which is convergent and we prove that it is bounded. So we have given this sequence Sn n is equal to 1 to infinity is a convergent sequence. Therefore, by definition of convergent sequence, we can say that this sequence has limit, any finite limit, say capital L, and we write it as limit of Sn as n tends to infinity is equal to L. Therefore, by definition of limit of sequence, we write here, in last lecture also I have told that if limit of sequence Sn is equal to L, then the definition of limit is, for given epsilon greater than 0, there exists any positive integer. We take here capital N belongs to capital I, that is set of integers, such that mod Sn minus L, Sn is a nth term of sequence, L is a limit of sequence, and mod Sn minus L is less than epsilon for all small n greater than or equal to this capital N. So this is the definition of limit, and therefore by that definition we have written here that mod there exists capital N such that mod Sn minus L is less than epsilon for all, for small n which is greater than or equal to this capital N. This is not for all n. So this is a definition of limit. Now we can take here epsilon is equal to 1. Therefore mod Sn minus L is less than 1 for n greater than or equal to capital N. So by using definition of limit, we have written this, we have got this equation 1. Now consider mod Sn, and by adjustment we can write mod Sn as mod L plus Sn minus L. This plus L minus L get cancelled and here remains only Sn. So mod Sn can be written as like this, L plus Sn minus L. Now you know, if the two terms in mod, addition of two terms is there, then it is always less than or equal to separate modulus of that two terms. Here I have written mod A plus B is less than or equal to mod A plus mod B. Therefore this mod Sn is less than or equal to mod L plus mod Sn minus L. So these two terms are separated, therefore here is a sign less than or equal to. But we know this mod Sn minus L is less than 1 in above equation 1. From limit, definition of limit, we got it. Therefore, it is strictly less than 1. Therefore, now we can write here mod Sn is less than, strictly less than mod L plus 1. We substituted 1 for mod Sn minus L. And this is for small n greater than or equal to capital N, because this mod Sn minus L is less than 1 for small n greater than or equal to capital N. This is not for all n. Now let us take capital M as a maximum value of all mod S1, mod S2, mod S3 dash dash, and also this mod L plus 1. All these values of mod, maximum value among these values is a capital M. Then that means capital M is upper bound for the sequence Sn. All the values of sequence Sn are less than that capital M, since capital M is maximum value. Therefore, mod Sn is less than or equal to capital M for all n. Therefore, mod Sn is less than capital L plus 1. Mod Sn is less than each value. Therefore, it is less than mod L plus 1, and it is less than or equal to this capital M. Therefore, and this is for all n. This M is maximum value of all the terms mod S1, S2, S3. Therefore, mod Sn is less than or equal to capital M for all n. Therefore, mod Sn is less than or equal to this capital M for all n. And therefore, this is the definition of bounded sequence. If there exists any number m such that mod Sn is less than or equal to that number m, then we say that the sequence Sn is bounded, and thus we have shown that sequence Sn is a bounded. So read this theorem and its proof again so that you can understand it properly. Thank you.